Good morning, day 2. As Ian, he's packed away. Mine's all packed away. And basically we're ready to hit the trail eventually, eh?
Yes, get on the towpath.
Get on the towpath. We are forecast rain late this afternoon, mid-afternoon, so
yeah.
we just got to play it by ball, play by ball. We'll see what happens. We
Get the tarp up for 2, I reckon.
That's what the forecast is saying. From 2 o'clock onwards it's going to be rain, but
we'll see what we get, won't we?
It is what it is.
Cracking spot though for camping.
Yeah, good night in the woods. Very quiet, very quiet. Cold. Got really cold last night, but
0 degrees when it's on the thermometer.
0 degrees, but no rain, which is always a bonus.
Yep.
Anyhow, we'll bring you back along the trail.
See you later.
Right, so you're supposed to be able to get your bike through there, but if you've got the hangers on the bottom or bottles on your
if you've got pedals on it.
Yeah, it's really, there's the gate here.
It's the worst I've ever seen. That is.
Yeah, not very good at all. Anyhow, we're through. Onwards. We're in Wigan, by the way.
Well, I'm not centre.
Right, we've just cleared Wigan. We just stopped for 5, take a few photographs, but sun's still shining, looking very peaceful on the Leeds and Liverpool Canal. Yeah, so one thing to note here, some of these gates are pretty impossible to get through with a bike. This bit here does not fit your bike to get in.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah, so we're going to have to lift them over the gate. Look at this tools.
Fucking nightmare.
Yeah, not easy.
Look at that apple tree up there.
Yeah. Right, bud, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got a job on your hands there, haven't you? Yeah, cheers, bud, thank you. Nice. Right, just stopped for a spot of lunch. We're just slightly off the canal. It goes up. There's a little. This is a little. Is this the end? The southern end?
Lancaster southern.
Yeah, the bit that never made it to Preston. Oh, across the other side of the estuary. Yeah.
Yeah, we go up and over.
Up and over for us over this bridge and then round, but it's only lunchtime and we're thinking about camping up already because rain is forecast and it's set for the whole day, so
we're about to get wet, aren't we?
Looks that way. So we're gonna have a bite to eat and then we're gonna find somewhere to hide for the rest of the day, I think, till this rain goes. Yeah, we're just taking shelter. A little bit of rain come on, just light rain, but it's pretty miserable. So God knows what's going to happen later on, but we'll bring you back when we find out. Okay, so not exactly what we had planned at all. We're in a hotel. The weather, sort of afternoon, mid-afternoon, 2:30ish, turned absolutely awful, and it would mean pitching up somewhere already wet, trying to find somewhere, you know, relatively dry, but and then spending the night trying to keep dry. So we decided, yeah, we'll have a bit of comfort. We can get showered, hot showers, and we'll get a decent meal tonight down in the restaurant. So yeah, we managed to get to Blackburn, but we've got the bikes in the hotel with us. We managed to get as far as Blackburn, but not as far as we'd hoped. We did want to go further, like, but you know,
weather dictates.
Yeah, and the actual cut, you know, the canal paths are pretty well chewed up in bits. We've had quite a bit of heavy going, so it's been,
we've had 12 months of rain.
Yeah, so they're very soft in places, so we stop start. Quite a few people, you know, dodging and avoiding, so we haven't done a lot of miles today, but it is what it is. And we could have continued, but we didn't want to continue. So wet,
and we don't want to spend 16 hours under the tarp, do we?
No, but we want to enjoy it. So
yeah,
tomorrow's supposed to be a good day, so we'll better see better and it'll be more enjoyable. So
yeah, and we'll have a good, stick a good day in tomorrow.
Good day. So day 2, not what we planned, but yeah, these things happen.
Yeah,
we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow.
Ta-ra. Oh my word, this is like 4x4 territory. Keep going, lad, keep going.
Sunk.
Oh, back end just want to step out.